Hello everyone, myself Janbhi Malik Biotech Biotechnology. Today I am here to discuss my views on the topic production technology of banana. I want to thankful to Dr. Prashant Bakshi for presenting me this opportunity to share my views on pre-mentioned topic. Contents: Botanical classification, agro-climatic requirement, varieties cultivated, land preparation and planting, planting session, spacing in banana planting, intercultural operation, plant protection measures, banana weevil, post-harvest management, economic importance. Botanical classification, scientific name, Musa, chromosome number 22, family Musaceae. Botanical description, type of fruit, berry, edible part, endocarp. Agrochemical requirement. Banana, a tropical crop, grow well in temperature range of 15 to 35 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 75 to 85%. It requires loamy soil with pH between 6.5 to 7.5. Rich in organic material with high nitrogen content, adequate phosphorus and plenty of potash. Average rainfall required is 650 to 750 mm. Varieties cultivated. Important cultivator including dwarf, Caldivish, Robusta, Monthon, Havana, red banana, Nayali, Safed Velchi, Basrai, Rasthali, Grand Nani, Karthali, Karpulwalfi, etc. Land preparation and planting. Prior to planting banana, green manuring crop like Dantia, cowpea, etc. is used to break the land and bringing the soil to fine till. Planting materials: suckers and tissue culture seedlings, sword suckers with well-developed rhizome having actively growing conical bud and weighing approximately 450 to 700 grams are commonly used as propagation material. Planting season. Important season for planting followed in different states of India. Traditional banana grower plant the crop at 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter with high intensity. Kharif 1.5 into 1.5 meter, 2 into 2 meter or 2.5 into 2.5 meter. Rabi 5 into 1.2 meter, 1.5 into 3.7 meter. Nutrition: 10 kg farmyard manure, 200 to 250 gram nitrogen per plant as a top dressing in 3 equal pots as an interval of 60, 90, 120 days. 60 by 70 gram phosphorus per plant, 3000 grams potassium per plant. Urea is applied in 3 to 4 splits doses. Spacing in banana plant. Interculture operation. Spraying of glyphosate before planting at the rate 2 liter per hectare is carried out to keep the plantation weed free. 4 to 5 weedling. Harrowing the field 3 to 4 times to keep the soil loose. Earthing up should be done at 3 to 4 months after planting. Discovering. Cropping, bunching, covering and spray, mulching. Intercropping. Short duration crop, 45 to 60 days, like mung, cowpea, dancha are the conserved or green manuring crop. Leguminous crop, beetroot, ginger, turmeric and sun hemp grown as an intercrop during the first 3 months. Growing regulation 2 to 4 days. Improves the grade of bunches. CCC at 4th and 6th month. Plant at 6th and 8th month. Potassium dihydrogen phosphate and urea or 2 to 4D solution after bunch develop improved banana size and quality. Plant protection measure: insect pest, root stock, rhizome weevil, Stem borer, banana beetle, banana aphid, nematodes, and thrips. Application of 0.04% endosulfan or 0.1% carbonyl or 0.5% of monocrops depending upon the type of pest infection. Disease: banana wilt, anthracis, leaf spot, shoot rot. Banana weevil. Weevil infestation of young plant cause stunning of growth, production of small bunches, and sometimes plant death. Control of weevils. Control practice planting chemical insecticide, biological agents. Leaf spot, black Sitagata, yellow Sigataka, leaf speckle. The cheapest and the most effective of controlling plant disease is by use of resistance cultivar. Anthracis, caused by fungus Clostridium muscae, attacks the fruit. It is the most common on cooking banana. Post-harvest management. Grading. Based on size, color, maturing of fruit. Storage. Store for up to 3 weeks in silent, free air or up to 6 weeks in controlled atmosphere at 14 degrees C. Packing. Wooden or cardboard boxes and bamboo baskets are used. In some cases, banana bunches are packed in old gunny bags wrapped with banana leaves. Transport. Road transport by truck, lorries is the most popular mode of transport due to easy approach from orchards or to the market. For distance market, rail wagons are used. Economic importance. Banana is a rich source of carbohydrate and rich in vitamin B, also a good source of potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium. It helps in reducing risk of heart disease, arthritis, ulcer, diabetes, kidney disorders. Proceed products such as chips, banana puree, jam, jelly, juice, wine, halwa can be made from this plantation or cooking. Banana are rich in starch and have a chemical composition similar to that of potato. Alternative use of banana. Banana and lavender are largely used in their fresh form, usually eaten ripened, are used for making pancakes. The most common form of processing is beverage production from beer, juice, banana cultivars. Many handicraft products are also made with banana fibers. Thank you.